Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore an archived email on Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, please enter the Gmail application on your device. And then here I will give an example with some emails that I will archive first. And then to return it, you can click the third row above. After that, you can see that there are no archive features here. Then you can choose all emails, and then here will appear all emails including those we have archived. So to restore it, please long press the email message you archived, and then you can select 3 points above, and select Move to Inbox. Then your email was successfully returned. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore an archived email on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.